the power of AI vibe coding. It's going to help you whether you want to build a brand new business, building your own apps without technical experience, without engineering experience, without coding experience. You can build your own app, your software as a service, or if you've got an existing business, this can make a transformational difference to potentially hundreds of dollars or pounds that you're spending on different subscription models and different tools that's costing you month on month that you can build your own internal app. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dive into the computer. Let's share with you the power of AI vibe coding, step by step, over the shoulder, and once you see it, you'll not be able to unsee it. Okay, vibe coding is using artificial intelligence to do the programming, the coding, the software development. And it's using the power of artificial intelligence to do all the heavy lifting for you. So if you are not experienced, then you're just using natural language. There's lots of different platforms that are becoming available to everyday people to use and business owners to use. This is Lovable, something that I've been using now for roughly around about 7-8 months. I've put lots of hours. We've developed lots of different functions and apps, and something that from a viber's perspective with a community as well, talking all about coding. So what is this? This is on their homepage. It says build something lovable, create apps and websites by chatting with AI. So you may first of all go like, what different ideas do we have? So I've actually come up with a big list of new business ideas or existing business ideas, right? So here's just some. This is health and wellness. So if you want to do something more personal, daily tracking or sleep log or habit tracker, or maybe it's food and nutrition, a meal prep planner, whether it's a food allergy tracker, or even productivity in business apps, right? To-do lists and daily planning and project trackers. But you may have an existing business, right? So an existing business could be like you've got a team, a team task dashboard, inventory manager, document approval, or meeting notes archive, or order management dashboard. There's so many different opportunities. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate this, okay? Instead of just kind of talking about it, let's demonstrate it. So what I've done is I'm just going to, as an idea, this Performance KPI Dashboard, I'm actually going to go into our Vibers AI, which has been programmed, everything to do with vibe coding. I'm going to put in here, say, write a master prompt for this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually copy this and put it into Lovable, and it's going to be in real time, show you the power of just sort of natural language. You can use like ChatGPT, you can use custom GPTs to help the different prompts, but this is a prompt. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to dive into Lovable. These are some more ideas from the community, which we'll talk about. I'm going to paste it into there and press go. What it's then going to do, it's then going to be spinning up this preview. Now, I've not had to do anything. I'm not having to code this as the lights popped off. I'm not having to do anything. You can see it's all happening in real time. I'll build a modern KPI dashboard with beautiful data visualizations, design inspiration, and it's all now using this AI agent to build on our behalf. Now, that means that the possibilities are unlimited, right? You can do API integrations. You can connect it with OpenAI. You can connect it to different integrations that you may have. You can do API integrations such as integrations into Slack, notifications, or you can connect it to you might be using like Google Docs right now, Google Sheets right now. There's many different things you can do, and it will all be working in the background for you. So if I click on to show more, you can see it's just doing everything on our behalf. not having to do anything. It's editing, it's building. Now, it is using credits, so you do have to use credits. You get, there's going to be a link down below if you wanted to get some free credits, but the credits are being used. You'll see if I scroll onto here, I'm using my daily free credits at this moment in time, so you do get daily free, but there's over 300 credits that I've personally got that I can still build with. And look at this. Performance dashboard. All this has been done without writing a single line of code. Performance dashboard, track your KPIs. You can see if I hover over all these. Now, obviously this is not, this needs more work, but in terms of a prototype, in terms of an MVP, right, this is a fantastic starting point that you can now continue to talk to. Let's say, hypothetically, I'm just going to take a screenshot of this and I'm going to say, update the styling to red and black. Okay, just natural language. Update the styling to red and black. I've taken a screenshot, shared that with them, and now it's going to think, the agent's going to think, and it's going to get to work. So while it's doing that, we'll continue. So we've created this build your AI SaaS app prototype in less than 10 minutes. What that basically is, it's a free tool where you can go to vibers.dev/blueprint, and you can answer a couple of questions. You know, what type of business do you run? I'm just going to say e-commerce store. What recurring tasks and bottlenecks and pains do you or your customers face in the business? We've got some quick answers, but you might want to just use the AI fill if you want. I'm just going to use the AI fill because this is connected through API. So this is just use artificial intelligence to answer. Let me answer these next few questions. If you could automate and simplify one of those pains with software, what would it be? Let me just do AI fill again. Let's check in with our agent in the background. Can you see this? It's now changed all the styling to red. That's amazing, right? Look at all this styling to red, just through natural language. Let's go to the next. Why would customers or you pay for this solution, right? So you might go, it saves me, 10 hours a week. I'm then going to put my email in. This is a lead magnet. So if you do use this, the idea is it will share with you the output, the generating of the code for you, the master prompt and everything for you. Because you'll see once this generates that so much is being done on your behalf. And that's the power of artificial intelligence. Everything that you've seen me do here is all AI first. From the AI agent to you've heard of ChatGPT. This is a custom GPT. Now, all the way to this. Check this out. Your SaaS app idea is ready. It's come up with a name, Inventrack. We help e-commerce store overcome e-commerce stores often struggle with manual inventory management, the concept, it's come up with flywheel potential, and then it's come up with, look at this, really in-depth, lovable master prompt. How amazing is that? That's incredible. All done through the power of AI. And that is why we've got another YouTube channel, all to do with AI vibe coding, more specific on AI vibe coding. This is obviously more based around e-commerce. So if you're in e-commerce, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a big subscribe button. But we're about to go into what we call our Vibers Masterclass, where launch your first or next app within 28 days or pay zero, guaranteed. So we've got our first call live call. If you're watching this in the future, the recordings will be available in 6.5 days. So we're really, really excited about that. You are invited. There's going to be a link down below where you can learn more about this. And we're going to go through creating your very first app from start to finish. You can see within literally the last sort of 10-15 minutes, we've already created a prototype, right? Yes, this needs configuring. Yes, this needs us to configure it to our specific needs at this moment in time, but you can see how powerful this is. You can see how incredible this is. You've then got the back-end database. You can do API integrations. You can, there's so many different things you can do. So hopefully this has, opened the door to so many different ideas. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this. Comment down below, let me know, and look forward to seeing what your thoughts are. Join us in Viber's Masterclass. You are invited, and you can learn more down below. So my name's Kev, inspiring you every single day to keep taking massive action.